Hello, this is eSpin Adam. We're happy to assist you with the upcoming presentation. Let us know if you need any help, and we'll be glad to be of service. Approov CLI installation by installation on Windows. Open email on Approov Onboarding. The onboarding code is using for initialize access to your Approov account using the information from the Approov onboarding email. Copy and paste the instruction from the email, such as go to link website in the screen. Click the Here for download, which contain the link to download command line interface CLI tool available for Linux, macOS, and Windows. Open the zip file from downloads and extract it. Open command prompt on Windows. Run as administrator. Execute this command below. Location path means location Windows path. Copy the location window path, then paste it to command prompt. Thank you for watching our presentation. We hope it was valuable and informative. For questions, contact us at info@espincorp.com or visit our website. Thank you again and have a great day.